Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Bitcoin, talking about what's going on, what to expect. Yesterday we did have some volatility. We had some bullish momentum over the course of the evening, so that was nice. But in the end, it did not really change much. I mean, in the end, we did not really get a full breakout above our main resistance level right here at 84,500, which we spoke about yesterday as well. Which is just in general. I mean, you can see it's a well-respected key level, but outside of that, we also have the monthly opening there. We have the POC there, and just in general the POC area, because you can see it's kind of an area between 84,500 and 84,150, and we rejected from that. I mean, we had some strength, and there was some volume coming in later yesterday as well, after the initial volume surge after Sunday, of course, during the week opening, but unfortunately we rejected, and that means that we're back at square one, which is still being in this tight consolidation range right here between 82,000, our main support level, and 84,500. So, I mean, my thoughts on Bitcoin are fairly similar, even though I do think the circumstances around the market have changed slightly. Now, I know there's a lot of rumors, etc., going on about the hyper-liquid whale massively shorting Bitcoin and closing that short earlier this morning. I think in general, keeping yourself busy with trades like that is not worth the energy. All right, you know what he's doing on chain. All right, so he had a massive short open, but you don't know what he's holding off chain on exchanges, and it's quite unlikely actually that he would just naked short Bitcoin and do not have any hedge. All right, so I think in general spending too much time focusing on that is not worth it. But all right, it was interesting. But no, what we've seen over the last 24 hours is, first of all, that the stock markets have actually continued to bounce as expected. You can see on a 1 hour time frame, we actually managed to break above the most important level we needed to break above. 12-hour time frame, it's not confirmed yet. Daily time frame, it's also not confirmed yet. All right, so it's still a little bit early to call this a victory, and I would still argue that it's very, very important that we actually get some sort of a sustained breakout here, so that we can actually confirm that the bottom for the S&P 500 is in, and that we can expect some more bullish momentum from that as well, which would translate into more bullish momentum for Bitcoin as well. And it's definitely not certain yet. Today we have some more geopolitical news coming in, most likely at the end of today. The economic data is still a little bit shaky, and we have the FOMC of course coming up on Wednesday, which influences the S&P 500 very much as well. And then outside of that, unfortunately, we so far this week have also not seen any major bidding coming in from Bitcoin or for crypto specifically, as you can see from the Coinbase Bitcoin price here. It went into a premium at some points of time, especially during the bullish pressure yesterday, but overall it's still more in a discount. So that's another indication of no real momentum coming into Bitcoin. So that means that the situation is still very, very uncertain, all right, and still very dependent on outside factors. And I said this yesterday as well, but I hate to say that, right? Because I'd love to talk a little bit more about the structure. And structure-wise, I mean, if we zoom out for Bitcoin here, I would argue we are still bearish. But like I said, zooming in, and due to my thoughts on the fundamental situation, with especially the stock market, I'm still leaning towards saying that a bullish breakout is more likely. But like I said yesterday as well, the best thing to do if you want to trade Bitcoin, and if you want to know some more definitive direction for Bitcoin, is just waiting for the actual breakout to happen. All right, so that would be my main recommendation for today. Wait for the actual breakout, wait for continuation, wait for confirmation of continuation, and then after that we can talk a bit more about potential targets, both to the upsides or downsides, depending on which way we go. But I'll keep you updated on that as soon as I can. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I'll be back with a new video this afternoon, but also, of course, tomorrow. I'll see you there. Thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.